Why self-doubt holds you back. Self-doubt is like a weight that keeps you from reaching your potential. It makes you question yourself, hesitate on decisions, and miss out on opportunities. But the good news? You can break free from it. 25 ways to overcome self-doubt. Mindset shifts. 1. Recognize that doubt is normal. Even the most successful people experience it. 2. Reframe negative thoughts. Change "I can't" into "I will learn how." 3. Adopt a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities to grow. 4. Practice positive affirmations. I am capable, strong, and worthy. 5. Visualize success daily. Picture yourself succeeding before it happens. Taking action. Start before you feel ready. Confidence grows through action, not waiting. 7. Take small daily steps. Progress builds momentum and belief in yourself. 8. Focus on effort, not perfection. Done is better than perfect. 9. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. 10. Learn from setbacks. Instead of seeing them as failures, failure is feedback, building self-trust. 11. Keep promises to yourself. Show yourself that you are reliable. 12. Surround yourself with encouraging people. Confidence is contagious. 13. Limit exposure to negative influences. Stay away from doubt-filled environments. 14. Remind yourself of past successes. If you did it before, you can do it again. 15. Journal your strengths and achievements. Write down what makes you unique, breaking negative patterns. 16. Stop comparing yourself to others. Your journey is yours alone. 17. Detach from external validation. Your worth isn't based on approval. 18. Challenge fear-based thinking. Ask, what's the worst that could happen? 19. Step outside your comfort zone. Growth happens in discomfort. 20. Limit social media time. Avoid comparisons that lower self-esteem. Strengthening self-belief. 21. Do something that scares you daily. Each time you do, doubt weakens. 22. Practice self-compassion. Be as kind to yourself as you are to others. 23. Learn from people who have overcome doubt. Read biographies of inspiring people. 24. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Confidence builds through repetition. 25. Decide to believe in yourself. At the end of the day, self-belief is a choice. Real-life example, Serena Williams' confidence mindset. Serena Williams has faced criticism, setbacks, and pressure, but she never lets doubt control her. She once said, "I've grown most not from victories, but from setbacks. If winning is God's reward, then losing is how He teaches us." Key takeaway: self-doubt only wins if you let it. You have the power to rewrite your story and step into confidence. Please like, comment, subscribe.